Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Facebook group notification not showing problem. If you are not getting Facebook group notification, then this video is for you. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Launch the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad or Android device. Click your profile picture in the top right of Facebook. Select Settings and Privacy. Click Settings. Click Profile Settings. Click Notification Settings. Then click Groups. Then turn on all options. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.